Good morning students. So in this lecture I am explaining you some advanced options of PowerPoint. So number first topic is applying animation effect. Animation effect is also called a custom effect and we can apply this to any object in a slide. So when we will apply these effects on a slide, so when the slide will show in full screen, that effects will be applied on that object. And there are the some few names such as the entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. So there are the different varieties is available in these animations such as the motion path, so objects can move from one place to another place. Second topic is the transition is applied on a slide, so when the slide will comes on the screen, that transition will be applied on that one. So both are different. Animations is applied on every object of a slide items, whereas the transition is applied only on the slide. So when the slide will be come, so these types of animations के slides will come from the top or right or bottom or left. This types of animations we can apply in a slide, and we can also apply with transitions. There is some sound, so when the slide will come, so sound will also come. So here this is the next option to adding a sound. So we can add a sounds on a transition as well as on the animation. So when the animation or the slide will be transition, then that type of sound will be comes from the computer, and this we can apply with the help of mouse or automatically. Next option is add a media clip in your PowerPoint. So we can add any sound, because all these sounds which we are adding with the animation and transition, these are the inbuilt sounds. Or if we want to play some music as a background music with our PowerPoint presentation, so we can add a media clips from your computer. So these files should be mp3 or wav. These can be downloaded from the net. So we will apply on a slide, so the option will come okay, when the slide will show, this will automatically play, or when we will click on that icon, that sound will be play. Similar option for the video. There are the some videos is inbuilt in the PowerPoint. If the PowerPoint is complete version installed in your computer, if the complete version will not install in your computer, you will not get the any clip in the PowerPoint. So we can insert a video clip from your computer which is stored. These video clips can be made with the help of mobiles, or we can download from the internet. So from the another drive we can insert. Same option here will become okay, when the slide will be show on the screen, so this video will automatically play or not. Now the next option is a hyperlink option. So hyperlink is a link between a two document. So we can move from a one PowerPoint file to another PowerPoint file with the help of hyperlink. Similar option is there is a inserting action button. So action button is basically is used for move or uh, switching between the slides in a same file. Suppose we are working on the third slide and we want to move directly to a sixth slide. So using action button, we can move through the sixth slide. And the last option is the navigation slide. So when the presentation is showing on the full screen, then there is the option, so we can directly move to the first slide to end slide or end slide to first slide. These types of option will come. So this is called the navigation of the slide. By default the navigation will be one by one, so next slide will be come, and the previous option will be also one by one, but there with the help of navigation we can directly move to a particular slide with the help of the title of the slide.